Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I have a few products to unbox today because I got more elf makeup. So, and then I'm going to show you everything I got. And I'm probably just going to I'm going to have to reorganize my box again. So we'll see. So first is eyes. And I only got one thing. I got the elf Incredicurl mascara in the shade Deep Brown. And then I gotta clean more of the house into my husband's next payday. This is the new mascara. And then I can get more. It says 102% improvement in curl and 168% improvement in volume. It's curling and volumizing. Next we're gonna do lips, which I have the elf Pout Clout Lip Plumping Pen in the shade In the Clear. Ouch. Ouch. Maybe. There you go. Yeah. So it's literally just looks like just like a pen. And you will click this up. Yeah, you click this up. So I got a clear version because I want to make sure I like it first before I do color. Then got the elf Glow Reviver Lip Oil, the Glimmer Finish, and Opalology Tour. So it's just another lip oil. Then for blush, I got the elf Share For It blush tint in the shade Left on Red. I was going to get the pink one, but Walmart was out of it. So I just got what they had. Which the elf, or the red one looks like it'll work. Yeah, it should work. I want to make sure it didn't leak everywhere. But yeah, it looks like it should work. It says Boatable Stain for lips and cheeks. I'm just going to use that as a blush stain. Oh, we're still doing blush. Then I have the just elf like powder, regular powder blush in the shade Blushing. So it's just a little blush. But it looks stunning. Like, it is a little shimmery, but it's not that big of a deal. Excuse me. And then I have the elf Prime and Stay finishing powder. And it comes in the same packaging as the blush. Like, if you can see, it's the same packaging. But this is like a setting powder. Feels very lightweight. So that is everything I got today. I told my husband, I'm like, if it comes down to it, I might just get everything else off of Amazon. Now that I got most of that, I still got the bigger stuff though. Like the more expensive stuff to get. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video when I show you everything I've gotten so far. And yeah, bye.